Making breakfast. Glossary. I am so hungry this morning. Let's hurry up and make breakfast. What do we want for breakfast this morning? Let's look in the fridge and see what we got to eat. Okay, we got eggs, sausage, ham, bread, butter, leftover oatmeal from yesterday. We can make scrambled eggs with sausage or warm up the oatmeal. What do you say? Okay, eggs and sausage it is. Let's get them out of the fridge. Do you want to help me cook? Awesome! We're going to get it done quickly and finally eat. We need to get a frying pan and put it on the burner. I am turning on the burner and the frying pan will get really hot. So make sure you do not touch it. Great! Let's put some butter, pour some oil on the frying pan. Scoop the butter with this spoon and put it in the frying pan. While the butter melts, we need to cut up the sausage. Now I will take this sharp knife and cut up the sausage. You can watch. When you are a little bit older, I will let you cut the sausage. Now lay out pieces of sausage on the frying pan. Be careful, don't get burnt. Now we wait until they get done on one side. Time to flip the sausage over. You can use the spatula or the tongs. Very well done! Time to crack the eggs. Take the egg into the palm of your hand, like so. You can either crack it on the edge of the frying pan, or you can use this knife. Take the knife and hit the egg in the middle just enough to make a crack in the shell. Then use your thumbs to split the shell and drop the egg into the frying pan. Make sure that you are doing all this over the frying pan. You don't want to spill the egg onto the stove top. Would you like to crack a couple more eggs? You are doing very well. You are a very fast learner. Now we need to cover the frying pan with a lid and wait a couple of minutes. And while we wait, we can lay the table. We will need plates, cups, napkins, and forks. Be careful with those plates. They are made of porcelain and can be easily broken. If you drop them on the floor, they will break into smithereens. What do you want to drink? I think I would like some milk. We also have apple juice and orange juice. You can also have water. So, did you make up your mind about what you want to drink? Great choice! Milk is rich with calcium and helps your bones grow and be stronger. You're growing fast, you know. Soon you will be all grown up and making breakfast for mommy. Uh-oh, we forgot about the eggs. Oh my goodness, you turned off the burner 2 minutes ago, really? What would I do without you? You get some eggs with sausage and I get some. Do you want the big piece? I think I'll take the burnt part. I don't really care. I think it still tastes very good. And also, I don't like to waste. Okay, looks like we got it all set. It's time to go ahead and start eating. It tastes really good. The only thing we forgot was to salt it. Not to worry, we can add salt at any time. Now, if you oversalt it, then you are in trouble. Take a pinch of salt and put it over your eggs. That should do it. This sausage came out very tasty. This breakfast was amazing. But the best part was cooking together with you. So, who's cleaning the table?